Right around Syracuse, they've just had that cold front come through. The temperatures started dropping, and look at the fall off. You go to 28 in Toronto, 25 in Chicago, and 14 in Minneapolis right now. So the jet stream is going to drive that cold air right into our area. So the whole question is, when does this actually happen? Well, the front itself is going to cross Boston around 5 a.m., preceded by a quick shower or two during the overnight hours. Nothing really substantial or long-lasting. Here you see the shower around 2, 3 in the morning. It moves offshore. This will actually be the front around 5 a.m., and then the wind picks up and the temperature starts to drop. So during that morning commute tomorrow, we'll have falling temperatures and increasing wind at the same time. Now, we have a wind advisory all day long tomorrow. There'll be some gusts up to 40 miles an hour. And tomorrow night will finally be the first complete freeze on all of the Cape and the islands. All right, so let's take you out in time with our temperature. Here comes the front. So 7 o'clock, it's still 42 in Boston, but it's getting very windy and the temperature is now falling. And it continues that trend downward as we go through the morning, the afternoon, and all the way to late afternoon and evening as we then drop into the 20s with the gusty winds. So the wind chills are going to drop to the single digits and teens later on tomorrow night as the temperatures drop to the teens and low 20s. And by the way, Boston could have a new record on Saturday morning. The record is 24. I'm forecasting a record-breaking 22. And this would be the wind chills waking up early Saturday morning. One good thing, though, as we get deeper into Saturday, temperature will recover some and the wind will get lighter. So Saturday afternoon will be a lot more pleasant out of doors than the morning. One more cold night coming up Saturday night, calm night, so frosty early Sunday, then a little bit of a temperature bounce back. We have to keep an eye on Monday. Little bit of a coastal storm may come close enough for a period of rain and maybe a little bit inland. If it precipitates, there could be a mix or even some wet snow as temperatures will be a little borderline. But the weekend will be dry, but it's going to be very cold to start and a little bit milder by Sunday afternoon. That's the story, guys.